Hello students, I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. You are enjoying video classes. You have to enjoy with your studies only. You have to give us some time to studies. Okay? Always take care of your health and eat healthy foods. Okay? Good morning dear children. I am Mrs. Vijayashree Shastri, your SS teacher, social study teacher. I welcome you on Nivera Public School video class. Our chapter name is Subject Social Studies, Chapter 2, The Earth, a Living Planet. Our chapter name is The Earth, a Living Planet. Yesterday, I read the chapter and we underlined the hard words in your textbook. I hope you all completed that given homework. Okay, and today we will start our day with a good thought, moral thought. Today's thought of the day is thought of the day: when you talk, you are only repeating something you know. But if you listen, you may learn something new. This thought is by Dalai Lama. Okay, I am going to explain this thought. When you talk, you are repeating something you know. आप जब बोलते हो तो आपको जो मालूम है उसी के बारे में आप बोल रहे हो. बट इफ़ यू लिसन यू मे लर्न समथिंग न्यू. ओके, आप बोलते हो तो आपको जो पता है उसके बारे में बोलते हो. बट व्हेन यू आर लिसनिंग केयरफुली दैट टाइम यू विल लर्न something new. Whatever you don't know, you will learn that one. So you have to speak less and listen more. Okay, I hope you all will follow this thought. I am going to repeat my thought. Today's thought of the day: when you talk, you are only repeating something you know. But if you listen, you may learn something new. This thought is by Dalai Lama. Okay. Our chapter is page number 13. The Earth, a Living Planet. What is the heading of the chapter? The Earth, a Living Planet. The Earth is our home. Human beings, animals, birds, insects, and millions of trees, small plants live on the earth, which is beautiful living planet of the solar system. Okay, this is our page number 13, first paragraph reading. Okay, related to this one, see the picture. Earth, the living planet. Okay, this is our Earth, living planet. Okay, different kinds of plants and animals live here. There is no other place in universe where there is life. Okay, here in our chapter also, the earth is our home. Human beings, animals, birds, insects, and millions of trees, small plants live on the earth, which is beautiful living planet of the solar system. In our solar system, only life is there in only earth planet. Okay, so next one, the layer of air. Okay, first I will read the nearly 80% of earth is the earth is spherical in shape and very big in size. It is made up of land and water and air. Okay, nearly 70% of the earth is covered with water. From the space, the earth looks like a round blue marble. Due to presence of water on it in large quantity, the earth is called a blue watery planet. Okay, what we called blue, what we call the earth other name, blue watery planet. Okay, this is called a watery planet also. Now see here, facts of earth. Surface of the earth is made up of land and water. About 3/4 of the earth is covered with the water. About 1/4 of the water earth is covered the land. See the picture. This blue is all water and this green is land only. Okay, fact of the layer of. Now page number 13, second paragraph means half part of the this side. Nearly 70% of the earth is covered with water. From this space, the earth looks like a round blue bubble. Due to presence of water on it in large quantity, the earth is called a blue watery planet. Pie chart of land and water on the earth. Lithosphere. The upper uneven surface of the earth is known as a lithosphere. There are high mountains, plateaus, plains, rivers and deep oceans on the earth. See here, our earth is on the earth, nearly 30% of the earth is covered with the water. Okay, there are big oceans, rivers, they all are water bodies. 70% of the earth is covered with the water and 30% only land is there. Okay, only 30% land is there. Other 70% is on covered the water only. The earth is also blue watery planet. We say the round blue marble. How it sees? It sees as a round blue marble. A water body, enough water is there, so it seems as a round blue marble. Okay, 70% of water is there, so it is called as a watery planet. Okay, children, here pi means circle shape. How much? 70% of water is there and only 30% of land is for all. In that land, 30% is also covered with the forest, plateaus, mountains. These are at the upper surface. Lithosphere. Lithosphere, the upper uneven surface of the earth is known as the lithosphere. There are high mountains, plateaus, plains, rivers and deep oceans on the earth. Okay, on land surface, what is covered with the mountains, plateaus, plains and rivers and deep oceans are covered with the land. 30% is land also covered by mountains, plateaus and plains, rivers and deep oceans are there. Okay, this is the shape of the earth. Okay, now come to the page number 14. In that page number 14, the earth is surrounded by a layer of air called the atmosphere. Page number 14. The earth is surrounded by a layer of air called the atmosphere. We cannot see but feel the presence of air, which is essential to live. There is a nearly 20% of oxygen gas which is required by all living beings to breathe. Okay, how much percentage of oxygen here? Only 21% of oxygen in our atmosphere. Our earth is surrounded by an atmosphere. We cannot see this. We feel this. हम उसे देख नहीं सकते हैं. We can see air? No, but we will feel that one. Okay, this is called as an atmosphere. All living beings need air, that is oxygen. सभी चीज़ों को, living things को क्या चाहिए? Oxygen. We need a oxygen for living. Okay, that is called a oxygen. Now, hydrosphere. Nearly 70% of the earth is covered with the water and the remaining 30% is land, the sea. Lakes and other water bodies on the earth's surface taken collectively are known as a hydrosphere. Remember, potable water is precious and limited. We should not pollute them water. Okay, see here. In the 70% of water, in that also we have only drinkable water, very precious, and some part of the water is only drinkable water. Others are ocean. I hope all you know ocean water is suitable for drinking. No, it is potable, means drinkable water is called a potable water. It is very spacious thing, very precious thing, so we have to keep it very carefully. Do not pollute it. इसको हमें गंदा नहीं करना चाहिए. Okay, now movements of the earth. The earth rotates on its axis once in 24 hours, which is called the daily motion of the earth or the rotation of the earth. The earth rotates on its axis from west to east. Okay, what is rotation? Rotation means the earth rotates on its axis, means its path is axis. It spins, means it's moved on 24 hours. That is called a daily motion. The earth rotation of the earth rotates on its axis from west to east. वेस्ट से ईस्ट तक को घूमता रहता है. Revolution. The earth revolves around the sun in 365 1/4 days 1 year, which is also called the annual motion of the earth or the revolution of the earth. Okay, the moon is the only natural satellite of the earth which revolves around the earth once in 28 days. Okay, now for this suitable I am going to explain with the extra page. Okay, wait for that. I am going to show you a movement of the earth. The earth has two types of movements, rotation and revolution. How many types of rotation movements are there? Rotation and revolution. Rotation. The earth spin here. See, the earth spins like a top around an imaginary line called the axis. Which line? See, this is imaginary line. This is called a axis. This movement is called a rotation. The rotation causes day and night. In previous page I showed you it is rotate west to east in 24 hours. That is called a day and night. 12 hours is day and 12 hours is night. Okay. Earth rotates the earth rotates on its axis from west to east 24 hours, which is called a daily motion. It causes the day and night, 12 hours day and 12 hours night. Here two poles are there, north pole and south pole. The earth spin on its axis. See here. Can you see here? Yes, it is a axis of earth ka path it is. The earth rotates from east to west. It takes 24 hours, 1 day to complete the rotation. During the rotation, the part facing the sun has daily During rotation, the part facing the sun has day and the part which is away from the sun has a night. Which is facing to the sun, that is called a day, and which part is away from the sun is called a night. This is about our rotation. It causes day and night. Now come to the revolution. Like the other planets, the earth moves around the sun. The movement of the earth around the sun on its fixed orbit is called a revolution. The earth takes 365 1/4 days or 1 year to go around the sun once. Revolution of the earth around the sun causes the different seasons. Okay, rotation causes the day and night and revolution causes the season. Throughout the year, as the earth orbits the sun, it receives different amount of sunlight and heat from the sun. According to its distance from the sun, this causes change of seasons such as summer, monsoon, autumn, winter and spring. Okay, in rotation cause to day and night and revolution cause to different seasons. Rotation causes day and night and revolution causes different seasons. Okay, this causes change of seasons such as summer, monsoon, autumn, winter and spring. If sun is the earth takes, see the difference between rotation and revolution. In rotation 24 hours, here 365 days and 1/4 days, it is called a 1 year, there 1 day. Different season throughout the year as the orbit and axis, it receive different amount of sunlight and heat from the sun. If it is near to sun, it get a more heat, and it is far from there, that is called a winter there. It causes, revolution causes for a seasons. Okay, I hope you all will read this chapter and see the pictures. Once again I am going to send this picture of that one, and you have to write 1 to 14 which words we are ticked in our textbook. You have to copy that words in our fair notebook. Okay, which words you have to copy in your fair notebook? Before writing that hard words, today you have to write 5 hard words with their meaning. Insect. An insect is a small animal that has 6 legs. Planet. Heavenly body revolving around the sun. Solar system. The solar system is the sun and all planets that go around it around like a ball. Round blue marble. The earth is covered with 70% of water from the space that looks like a round blue marble. Presence. The state of being a present is called a presence. This work you have to do in your fair notebook. Total 10 meanings are there. You have to write only today. Okay, total 11 hard words meanings are there. You have to write all in your fair notebook. You have to write only today 6 and tomorrow you have to write 5. Quantity and amount that you can measure or count. Lithosphere. The upper and even surface of the earth. Surface is the outside part of something. Mountains. A very high area of land with the steep side. Plateau. A large area of high and flat land like a tabletop. Plains. A large area of land. Okay, I hope you all will continue this work. Stay safe, stay home.